Hello, this is Vinny, and I am doing my video on the evaporator core and what consists of a evaporator. Evaporator absorbs heat energy from the air in the cabin, and the evaporator is right in there. You can barely see it. It's in there. And this is where it absorbs energy from the cap and transfers it. And it takes in outside air and it processes it through evaporator core, and it has separate face and defrost doors that open and close. There's vents on the bottom of the system, up in there, right there, and defrost up on the top. These all have separate levers that open and close with your button here. And this decides which doors open and close and decides on how much heat it's going to bring in to cool down your air conditioning or to give you heat. There's a blower fan. The blower fan's in there as well. And this just pushes the air through the vents here. And this is where your air conditioning comes from. Comes through there, and you direct it to wherever you want. And you got other views. You got the air that comes up towards your face, the vents, and the vents that go for your feet and your face, and then your face and your feet. And you got defrost and your feet. And different speeds. You got low, medium, high, different levels like that. And this is my video on the evaporator core, or the evaporator, and what it does for your air conditioning. This is Vinny at JTech. This is my video.